तर हे दृश्य आपण पाहतो आहोत. सेबीमध्ये आता नुकतीच महाविकास आघाडीच्या नेत्यांनी तक्रार केलेली आहे. अमित शहा यांनी लोकसभा निवडणुकीपूर्वी स्टॉक एक्सचेंजबाबत केलेलं वक्तव्य आणि त्याच संदर्भात आता महाविकास आघाडीच्या नेत्यांकडून ही तक्रार करण्यात आली आहे. इतकंच नाही तर पश्चिम बंगालमधील ममता बॅनर्जींच्या पक्षाचे तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे काही नेते देखील आज मुंबईमध्ये दाखल झाले आणि त्यानंतरही सेबीमध्ये तक्रार करण्यात आली आहे.
नमस्कार सगळ्यांना. आज सेबीच्या चेअरमनना भेटण्यासाठी तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे ज्येष्ठ नेते सन्माननीय कल्याण बॅनर्जी खासदार आहेत, तिथं लोकसभेमधील खासदार आहेत. कल्याण बॅनर्जी त्यांचे लीडर आहेत. सन्माननीय साकेत गोखले हे तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे राज्यसभेतील खासदार आहेत. सन्माननीय घोष सागरिका घोष याही राज्यसभेच्या खासदार आहेत. शिवसेनेच्या वतीनं मी आहे, आमच्या राष्ट्रवादीच्या वतीनं विद्या चव्हाणजी, प्रभावळकरजी असे सगळेजण आम्ही एकत्र आलो. मधल्या काळामध्ये जे घडलं सेबीच्या स्टॉकिंगच्या 3 तारीख आणि 4 तारखेला, त्या संदर्भात एक निवेदन देण्यासाठी माननीय कल्याण बॅनर्जी आले. आपल्यासमोर कल्याण बॅनर्जी ते सगळ्या गोष्टी सांगतील.
As already said by Mr. Arvind Sawant, the leader of the party of the Shiv Sena UBT leader in parliament, we are the three from the Trinamool Congress. Sagorika is there, Gokhale is there, Sagorika from Trinamool, Saket Gokhale is there, and Vidya Chavan is there from the NCP, SCP, MLC. Earlier we wrote letters to the chairpersons that we have some grievances and we sought for an appointment regarding the manipulation scam which happened on the back of misleading exit poll for the Lok Sabha 2024. Now we came here, the chairperson is not there, but the 3 representatives of the SEBI, Mr. Bhatia and 2 others were also present. Initially they said about the performance of the SEBI, what are the SEBI is doing, SEBI's function, etc. We said that exactly that is the reason we have come, that SEBI had a glorious role in the past and now we are having a confidence on the SEBI. That's the reason we have come and seeking for an investigation in respect of the matters that manipulation of the stock market by reason of the misleading exit poll for the Lok Sabha election 2024. Now this exit poll agencies is there whether they are having any political connections with the political leaders or not. On 3rd, there was a scarce by reason of the exit poll. That is 3rd, it has been increased. And 4th, it has been crashed. Now, because within the 24 hours, 30 lakh crores money have been lost by the investors, small investors. But one lady, wife of Chandrababu Naidu, has earned 521 crores. There are other examples are there where the politicians have earned, their families have earned huge monies, huge profit. During the election, during the poll, Amit Shah repeatedly said in various election campaign, purchase it on 4th. Purchase it on 4th. Yeah.
Purchase it early, 4th you will
Yes,
get,
purchase early and
4th you will get benefit.
4th you will get the benefit. Then these types of person, who is he? Home Minister of the country. Is he having a link with this media? And all the time these oppositions are saying these exit polls are being done by the Godi media itself. That our pinpointing allegations are there against them. Therefore, we need an investigation to instill confidence amongst the people at large. An investigation is needed. An investigation is needed. Who has done, whether it has been done or not. Now this question remains, if this type of exit poll continues, in future there would be also this share scam. Whether this exit poll is being done for the profit of some politicians or the agencies who are doing it, who are they in the agencies? Whether any relationships are there with the political persons or not? Who are they? Or what is the output? On what basis? What is the scientific basis? You see, 7th phase election was continuing up to 6 o'clock, officially announcement. Those who are in queue, especially in rural area, it continued up to 7:30, 8 o'clock.